What up, bro? I got this amazing video for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to build your timetable, and I'm going to explain you and I'm going to explain to you why you are wasting away your fucking life for not having a timetable. You need to organize yourself, you need to organize your life, you need to organize your habits, and you need to actually have a system so you can make progress consistently. Improve 1% every single day, and after 1 year you'll be 365% better. Do not go in all directions, here and there, and waste around your time just trying a lot of random methods and trying a lot of random shit. Just stick to what it works. I have built this system for years. I have leveraged this. I have studied from people who have done this. I have read Atomic Habits by James Clear. I have learn to build my timetable from the big guys like Hamza himself. I'm telling you, it's the best thing in the world. I've been 3 years with my timetable, with my with evolutions of my own timetable, and I have never gone back. I got out of depression in only 2 fucking weeks after being freaking years depressed. So yeah, bro, I'm telling you, it's just amazing. So stop being a bitch about it. Stop wasting your time and go for it. I'm telling you. So what are you going to do? You're going to go into your notes app in your phone, and you're going to build right now. This is an actionable step. Do not keep watching this video if you're not going to do this. Just get the fuck out of here if you're a pussy that is not going to finish up this thing. So stop the video right now, go to your notes, and I want you to write down there exactly when you wake up, and exactly, let's say, a time block of 1 hour. Get like a checklist box added, right? And the thing that you're going to do is that you're going to place in that time block your first habit, the first habit of your day, right? You need to implement these 4 core things, the three core uh, the 3 core self-improvement habits, which are meditation, reading, and working out. And on top of that, I want you to implement building a skill or working on your business, which is going to build up skills as well, so don't worry about it. So this is the thing. You go and do that. You get those different habits into your timetable. You find out which one is the most difficult for you to do every day, right? And you eat the frog first thing in the day. Don't bullshit yourself. Look for the worst and the most difficult task for yourself, and you go for it. Let's say your most difficult task is hitting the gym. That's your first task of the day. Then you say, for example, your most difficult task might be working on your business, recording YouTube videos, practicing guitar, practicing piano, learning a language. If you're learning something, by the way, and you are not recording your journey, you are wasting your fucking time. Not entirely, but I mean, you are not leveraging your potential for real entirely. You should be building in public. Build in public is one of the best strategies you can leverage to actually build a really good personal brand. So go for it. Trust me, you'll thank me later. If you want to jump into identity shifting uh, to make these habits stick, you can you can get the link you can go through the link in the description. You can learn more about it. It's free. It's a Notion template in which I teach you and give you examples of identity shifting stuff and how to implement it for your 4 core self-improvement habits: working on your business, working out, reading, meditating, right? You go and do that, and you can thank me later, bro. Just drop something nice in the comments. Yeah, that's basically it. If you want to go more in depth about how to build your timetable and all that stuff, I do have a private community in school. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the link in the description, but I am sure that the link is going to be at the end of the Notion template. So I don't know. Let me know if you would like to have the link to that community here on the description for yourself or whatever. I don't know. I'm just getting started with this, but it's really, 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 really cool, man. Just being able to help people, being able to make money with it as well. It's just a dream. I want this dream for you. Even if you don't buy anything from me, doesn't matter. I will keep putting out videos on YouTube. I will keep putting out free content, free things like the Notion template and a lot of other cool stuff to help you out. So just, I hope you change your life, man. I hope you get what you really want. I hope you break away from your chains and start making progress, man. There's nothing better than that. You're going to feel amazing and you're going to finally find meaning in your life. And I couldn't wish more that for you, man. So take care. I'll see you in the next one.